Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a 3D golden text effect or 3D gold text effect like this on your Canva on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create this exact 3D golden text effect on your Canva on the computer, I'm just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, click on the apps here and just want to search as text maker. So just type as text and just type as text maker here, and you can find the first application just talking about. Just click on this, open this application first, and here you can find a lot of templates. So you just need to click on the 3D option on the first. So here, or just click on the gold option, so you can find it both, and just swipe down and you can find the golden text effect, like same text effect here. So there is a lot of text effect. So I just use this Garito text effect. So here I just going to type as my name and tick. So if you just need to change the font, you can just change the font so it will look great. So you can just go with this. So it will be different for one of every font. So you can say just go with this font, so which actually look great, or just this font, and you can just adjust the line height or alignment and also the line spacing, and I also have a lot of the more options like shadow, 3D effect and outline effect of fillings, and click on the customization colors, so you can just change, but the golden effect is here, so I just leave it there, and click on the add design option. Just choose the quality and click on the add design, so your design has been added, and you can just make it on the center and just resize it onto the center, so it will look like this. This is how you just create a 3D golden text effect on your Canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.